In this episode, we will learn about introduction to inorganic chemistry, its definition, some examples, branches, etc. So we will start our introduction to basic inorganic chemistry. What is inorganic chemistry? Definition of inorganic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry is the branch of chemistry which deals with the study of inorganic compounds and organometallic compounds. Inorganic chemistry includes study of all chemical compounds excluding organic compounds, where organic compounds are carbon-based compounds generally having carbon-hydrogen bonds, CH bonds. Example of inorganic compounds: salt, magnesium chloride MgCl2 is an ionic inorganic compound which contains magnesium cation Mg2 plus and chloride anions Cl minus. Branches of inorganic chemistry. Descriptive inorganic chemistry. Descriptive inorganic chemistry based on the arrangement and ordering of compounds based on their properties. Coordination chemistry. Coordination chemistry is the branch of inorganic chemistry which deals with the study of coordination compounds or coordination complexes. A coordination compound or coordination complex contains of a central atom or ion which is generally metallic and is also known as coordination center and gets surrounded by a group of bonding molecules or ions. These surrounding molecules or ions are known as ligands. Material science. Material science deal with the study of materials, study of metals, semiconductors, polymers, ceramics, nanomaterials, biomaterials, and many other form of materials comes under material science. A material scientist study about any material to find out its structure, properties, and use. This in certain application. Bioinorganic chemistry. Bioinorganic chemistry is the branch of inorganic chemistry which deals with the study of different metals in biological system. Bioinorganic chemistry deals in both natural field like study and application of metalloproteins etc. and artificial field like study, application and development of medicines. Bioinorganic chemistry is the mixture of biochemistry and inorganic chemistry. Organometallic chemistry. Organometallic chemistry is the branch of inorganic chemistry which deals with the study of chemical compounds having at least one bond between a metal and a carbon atom of organic compound. Organometallic compounds are broadly used in research, industrial chemical reactions, catalysts to increase the rate of reactions. Cluster chemistry. Cluster chemistry is the branch of inorganic chemistry which deals with the study of clusters. Clusters forms when atoms or molecules bound together to form large size substances whose size is intermediate in between the size of a molecule and a bulk solid. Example of clusters: fluorine cluster from carbon atoms, boron cluster from boron atoms. Thank you to listening this episode. In our upcoming episodes, we will learn about organic chemistry, analytical chemistry, and many more chemistry topics. Thank you.